Now let's make this summer gift bag. It's a unique way to gift wrap. Okay, I'm going to start by taking my Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm going to take a piece, cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half and then also use it to tie on to the beach bag. And what's really cool, let me show it to you. I'm going to lay this down in here and just tuck the end underneath. But this beach bag is really awesome. I bought it online, and it has a zipper. So it opens up and it's fully lined. So it's really a nice bag, and it wasn't that expensive. So anyway, I'm going to put the bag aside, and we're going to make a style of bow that's called a shoelace bow. And basically all you do is dovetail the ends, and let's go ahead to the overhead camera. So we're just going to dovetail the ends, fold it in half so I know, and I'm going to then go and I want to put the right side of the ribbon facing down. Then I'm just going to fold it back over and scrunch it in. And this one I'm just going to, do the same thing. Fold it back over and scrunch it in. And my tails can go in different directions. That doesn't matter. And then the next thing I'm going to do is make another shoelace bow. So these are very, very simple bows to make. You just dovetail the ends, and we just fold it in half, lay it down into the Bowdabra. Now, if you want to know how much ribbon we're using, we get that question a lot, just check in the description box below the video. And lay that down in there. And if you might notice that I'm just sort of scrunching this together and then laying it down into the Bowdabra. Then we got one more shoelace bow. And again, we just dovetailed the ends. I'm just going to fold this in half, take the center, lay that down into my Bowdabra, bring this around, and I'm just making the loops the same size. Bring this back over. So this makes a really nice like hostess gift. You can fill the bag with a bunch of different items, so it's a gift within a gift. And then I'm going to take my scrunchy ribbon and just make a scrunchie down the center. And just give everything a good push. And then what I'm going to do is come back up here, pull the wire through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra, pull it out of the Bowdabra. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, tie a knot, I'm going to double knot it. And just do one more knot just for good measure. Then I'm going to shape out my bow, pulling my loops, and maybe have a tail going up here. No, I think I'll have my tails going down. And bring the loops around here, tails, and sort of bring these loops here, bring my tails down. Then I'm going to take my beach bag, bring it back over here, and I'm going to just tie this onto the rope. And basically what I'm going to do is just tie it in a shoelace style bow so that the person who receives my gift can just take it apart. So it's a nice way to decorate and give a gift that's a little bit different than what people normally give. And it's a great gift because the beach bag is wonderful for summer, and then the items that you put in it will be delightful to whoever receives it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.